1, 2, 3, 4. Whitney Houston's in Pokemon Yellow. Whitney Houston's in Pokemon Yellow. Chupachu and the team. Chupachu and the team. Whitney Houston's in Pokemon Yellow.
Whitney? A soft, gentle, womanly voice fills the air. Such an innocent diction. How could such a sound ever be created by a dinosaur, or even Whitney's own shadow? Whitney's muscles loosen as she turns to see a tall woman stand before her. "Tall lady, I wish to ask you where in the world I am." The woman is taken aback by Whitney's unusual request. "Why, Whitney, I am your mother, and you are at home." Whitney's eyes roll like the heads of the wooden statues she used to break off and throw down hills. She smiles as she reminds herself how much she enjoyed her trip to Peru. "You are not my mother. You are some lady placed here by who knows what to entrap me." Whitney begins to move towards what she had assumed was the front door as the woman who claimed to be her mother sighs heavily. "All boys leave home someday. It said so on TV." As Whitney reaches the door, she opens it and turns back towards the woman. "I am not a boy. I am a beautiful young girl." She leaves the house and closes the door firmly behind her. Whitney looks over her body to check that she was correct in saying she was a girl. She is clothed, so she found it was difficult to tell. She makes a mental note to check herself more thoroughly when she is in private. She looks up to see her prison camp, a beautiful, picturesque town, full of flowers and color. Whitney thinks to herself, well, if this truly is a prison, it certainly is a fitting prison for Whitney Houston. She wanders the town briefly, taking in all the small town has to offer. But then she sees her escape. A grassy path leading to who knows where. A perfect escape from a perfect prison. As she begins to leave, she looks to the trees lining the path for comfort, something she used to do in a previous life before live concerts. She sets off into the unknown, no idea of the trials and evil trials she'll face on her journey.